NEC 110.26 mandates that electrical equipment be installed to minimize fire and electrical shock hazards. NEC 210.70 prohibits service equipment in closets. NEC 240.24 prohibits overcurrent devices in closets unless the closet is dedicated for electrical purposes and complies with NEC 110.16 and 240.24d. There are exceptions for utility closets. NEC 110.16 permits electrical equipment in dedicated electrical closets, provided firstly, the closet is used solely for electrical purposes, secondly, the closet is free from easily ignitable materials, thirdly, the closet is accessible without removing stored materials, and fourthly, the closet has a door that is kept closed when not in use. The electrical inspector may interpret NEC 110.16 as prohibiting electrical panels in utility closets, even if designated for electrical purposes. This interpretation can stem from concerns such as, firstly, other items in the utility closet could block access to the electrical panel, secondly, the closet may not be free from easily ignitable materials like cleaning supplies or paper products, and thirdly, the closet door may not be consistently closed, posing a safety hazard. To resolve this, firstly, revise the design by moving the electrical sub-panels out of the utility closets and installing them in a designated electrical room or on a common wall in the apartment, or secondly, meet the NEC exception criteria by ensuring the utility closets meet all requirements of NEC 110.16, including using the closet solely for electrical purposes, clearing it of easily ignitable materials, providing unobstructed access to the electrical panel, and installing a self-closing door. Meeting these criteria could demonstrate to the inspector that the utility closet is an acceptable location for the electrical panels. Clear communication with the inspector is important to understand their specific concerns and work towards a mutually acceptable solution.